In 1588, Spain was Europe's richest and most powerful country. Silver from its American colonies helped pay for its strongest army. Philip II was Catholic, England was smaller and poorer, and Elizabeth I was Protestant. That difference mattered enormously. Europe had split over religion earlier that century. Kings treated that split as a reason for war. Elizabeth sent help to Protestant rebels fighting Spain in the Netherlands. English sea captains, Francis Drake most famously, robbed Spanish treasure ships. Philip decided to end the problem permanently. He would invade England. He intended to replace Elizabeth with a Catholic ruler. He sent 130 ships, but the fleet was not carrying the invasion army. About 30,000 professional soldiers were waiting on the coast of the Netherlands. The fleet had to sail up the English Channel and meet those soldiers. Then it would guard them while they crossed to England in small boats. Two halves of one plane had to meet, but there was no deep harbor for them. The soldiers' boats sat in shallow canals, blocked by Dutch rebel warships. Big Spanish vessels could not get in, and small boats could not get out. Nobody solved the problem before the fleet sailed, or afterward. In late July, Spanish sails appeared off southwest England. The fleet moved in a wide crescent, difficult to break apart. English ships chased from behind under Lord Howard, with Drake among the captains. A week of fighting followed, and almost nothing sank. Spain wanted to board. The English stayed out of reach and fired from a distance. All the while, Spain kept moving toward its army. So far, the plan was working. On August 6th, the fleet anchored off Calais and sent word to the army. The reply was simple: "We need another week." The fleet sat still beside an enemy shore. At midnight, 8 old English ships packed with tar drifted toward the fleet, ablaze. Not one Spanish ship burned. Crews cut their anchors and scattered. The next morning, wind pushed the broken fleet north into the North Sea. It could not return. Storms battered ships around Scotland, Ireland, and the long route home. It was autumn, and ships broke apart on the Irish rocks. Barely half reached Spain. Most deaths came from storms, thirst, and disease. England was not invaded. Elizabeth kept her throne, and England stayed Protestant. That shaped the country, and later its American colonies. Spain was not finished. It remained powerful and kept fighting England. 1588 proved Spain could be beaten.